Alright everyone, in this episode we want to show you how to make a caramelized coat cheese on mixed salad with a balsamic or herb vinaigrette. We begin with our vinaigrette. A vinaigrette is a cold sauce that is often used as salad dressing. It usually contains 3 parts oil and 1 part of vinegar, often mixed with several other ingredients. So, we begin with 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. Mustard can bind the water and oil and therefore helps to keep our vinaigrette stable. We add 2 tablespoons sugar to balance out the vinegar acid. Now we use 100 milliliters balsamic vinegar as a basic for our vinaigrette. We also add a small onion that we just cut into pieces. As herbs, we use fresh basil and parsley. Give 2 or 3 branches of each to the other ingredients. We spice our vinaigrette with a pinch of salt and white pepper. Because we want to whisk our ingredients into an emulsion, we use either 1 tablespoon of advocaat or 1 egg yolk. Egg yolks contain lecithin, which works as an emulsifier to make sure that the oil and the vinegar do not separate from each other. To avoid getting salmonella from the eggshells into our vinaigrette, we prefer using advocaat instead of fresh raw eggs. We use an immersion blender to mix all the ingredients. While blending everything, we add 300 milliliters oil to our vinaigrette. Our vinaigrette is finished now. For our salad, we just mix different types of washed leaf salads with each other. Now we cut out this decoration out of an apple and cut the rest of the apple into pieces and add them to our salad. To add some crunch to our salad, we use some walnuts, which we already carefully roasted with a piece of butter. We place our salad on a plate and drip some of our vinaigrette over it. Now we take some coat cheese and slice it into thick coins. Dip the coat cheese coins into brown sugar and use a small kitchen burner to caramelize the brown sugar. Add the caramelized coat cheese to our salad and sprinkle some fresh thyme over it. Also, add a few drips of honey over the coat cheese and your tasty culinary experience can be served now. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Have a nice day. Over and out.